Kindly pick a question in our bowl.
For question number 4, it goes, how can we protect the image of Siargao and other Philippine destinations from the negative effects of irresponsible tourism?
In Filipino, paano natin mapapangalagaan ang imahe ng Siargao at iba pang destinasyon sa Pilipinas laban sa negatibong epekto ng irresponsableng turismo?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe we must protect the image of Siargao and other destinations of the Philippines by showing us Filipinos that we care our Mother Earth and our country. Therefore, we must show them that we must abide by the rules and treat them like our jet. And I thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful answer, candidate number 17.
Alright. We now move to candidate number 3. Kindly pick a question.
Candidate number 3, your question is also question number 3. What Filipino attitude or behavior would you like to change in our society and why?
In Filipino, anong asal o pag-uugaling Pilipino ang nais mong mabago sa ating lipunan at bakit?
If I were to choose one bad attitude or behavior of Filipinos, it would be us Filipinos forgetting the past easily and repeating our mistakes. Because if we don't learn from history, we are bound to repeat the same mistakes and achieve nothing. And that is very relevant to our country today as we keep on choosing the same leaders on our country. And I believe that if we work together as Filipinos, we could use our voice and do something and spark a change that is lasting. And
Thank you very much, candidate number 3.
What an insightful answer to a relevant problem. Now let us welcome candidate number 13.
You may pick your question.
Question number 6. Older generation calls today's youth fragile for speaking about mental health. How would you defend your generation's strength?
Your question in Filipino, sinasabi ng nakakatandang henerasyon na mahina ang kabataan ngayon dahil sa pagiging bukas nila tungkol sa mental health. Paano may pagtatanggol ang lakas ng iyong henerasyon?
The older generation calls today's youth fragile or mahina for speaking about mental health. I will tell them our openness is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of evolution because healing is stronger than pretending. Honesty is braver than silence. And seeking help is far more powerful than enduring the pain alone. My generation chooses empathy, and that is a strength that the world needs more than ever.
Great answer, candidate.
We're now down to our last two candidates. Kindly pick your question. Candidate number 11.
Your question goes, do you think we need stricter laws to hold people accountable for leaving hateful comments online?
Again, you have chosen question number 7. In Filipino, sa palagay mo ba, kailangan natin ng mas mahigpit na batas upang mapanagot ang mga taong nag-iiwan ng mapanirang komento online?
Yes, I believe that we need to be more strict, especially with hateful comments. We know that freedom is something that is ay nakikita natin ito sa panahon ngayon. Ngunit hindi din dapat natin abusuhin ang freedom. Dapat magkaroon tayo ng empathy sa bawat tao at dapat ay huwag natin gawin ang gusto nating hindi gawin sa atin. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, candidate number 11. We now move to our last male candidate. Candidate number 5.
Question number 8. Coffee shops have become the new study halls. Should the government create free public spaces like libraries so students have a free place to study without spending money?
Now to read the question in Filipino, naging bagong study hall na ang mga coffee shop. Dapat bang lumikha ang pamahalaan ng mas maraming libreng pampublikong lugar tulad ng mga aklatan upang magkaroon ng lugar ang ating mga estudyante na makapag-aral ng hindi gumagastos?
I have always felt a compassion to the fans community. Yes, I believe that the government can build new libraries to study students, and by believing yourself, Assure Mr. Pats 2026, let us rise to the highest as we ascend to progression. Thank you.
For that wonderful answer.
Thank you, candidate number 5, and that's all for our male candidates. We now move to our female candidates. You know what, Ryan? I think these questions are very relevant in our society today. Am I
I
right?
agree with you, Don. Very insightful din ang mga answers ng mga candidates natin. Truly academically inclined talaga ang mga pansinas.
That is correct. For sure, nahihirapan ngayon ang ating mga judges. Now, we move to our female category. Let's call on candidate number 14. Candidate number 14, you may pick a question.
Candidate number 14, you have chosen question number 2. If you could go back to one moment in your life, which would it be and why?
In Filipino, kung maaari kang bumalik sa isang sandali sa iyong buhay, alin ito at bakit?
At a young age of 16 years old, I started promoting, endorsing, and modeling different kinds of clothing brands. And if I were to go back at one moment in my life, it would be the very first time I earned my own money and gave it to my mom. I always remember how proud she looked at me, and in that moment, I realized that I could already help carry the weight for my family. And that moment continues to inspire me and make me dream more bigger. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14.
Now moving on, candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, you may pick a question.
Candidate number 4, your question is question number 10. P-pop is now shining on the global stage alongside K-pop. As a student, how can you help showcase Filipino talent while staying true to your local roots?
Your question in Filipino. By the way, you have chosen question number 10. Ngayong namamayagpag na ang P-pop sa pandaigdigang entablado, kasabay ng K-pop, bilang isang estudyante, paano mo may papakita ang talento ng mga Pilipino habang nananatiling tapat sa ating lokal na kultura at pinagmulan?
Filipino talent shines the brightest when we honor our roots. And as a student, I can help in acknowledging this by using social media not just to promote but to share the talents of our local artists, and also by participating in events like Pat's Idol and Music Fest. We can make a stage that celebrates the talents of every Filipino. Would be all, thanks.
Thank you very much.
Candidate number 4. Now let us call on candidate number 12.
Right, candidate number 12, kindly pick a question.
Candidate number 12, your question is question number 5. If a video of your best friend in an embarrassing situation on campus went viral, how would you advise him or her to handle it?
Your question in Filipino. Kung ang video ng iyong mataling na kaibigan sa isang nakakayang sitwasyon ay naging viral, paano mo siya papayuhan na harapin ito?
Thank you for that wonderful question. To my friend, I will show up for him or her, and I will tell her or him to accept the reality that we cannot control what other people can say. And I will show up because as an advocate of mental health awareness, I know what is the struggle of being in this situation. And using this platform, I want to remind everyone to always remember that our mental health matters no matter what. Have a good night, everyone.
Alright. Thank you very much, candidate number 12.
Now moving on, candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, kindly pick a question.
Question number 1. You are leading a campaign for a cause you believe in. What is it, and how will you get others on board?
Your question in Filipino. Pinangungunahan mo ang isang kampanya para sa isang adhikaing pinaniniwalaan mo. Ano ito at paano mo mahihikayan ang iba na makiisa?
One thing about me, it is that Pat's College of Aeronautics has been there with me in my journey with my mental health. Ever since senior high, I have been in this journey of healing. I can proudly say that I am a survivor, and that is the reason why I am standing here before you. Therefore, I wish to be the voice of people in healing, in hiding. I wish to be that beacon of light if I am given the chance to be the Miss Pats 2026. I wish to be the louder voice for those who are shy, for those who are scared. And I thank you all.
Moving on with the answer, candidate number 6.
We're now down to our last candidate and of course our last question in our bowl.
Question number 9. If you win tonight, you'll represent our school. What's one story about our school that you'd want everyone in the country to know?
Question in Filipino, kung mananalo ka ngayong gabi, ikaw ang magiging kinatawan ng ating paaralan. Anong isang kwento tungkol sa ating paaralan ang nais mong malaman ng buong bansa?
If I win tonight, I would share the PATS legacy. A school that continues to compete and create globally competitive individuals. It is an institution that shapes and creates excellence and form. And the PATS legacy is who we are. Student who is ready to compete beyond this wall. And I thank you.